In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to use Mailbox Validator API to validate an email in PrestaShop. Before getting started, you will need a Mailbox Validator API key. You may set up a free API key at mailboxvalidator.com/plans#API. I will show you how to validate an email in register form and contact form. Firstly, let's go to mailboxvalidator.com/resources. Search for Mailbox Validator API to validate email in PrestaShop. Select this article. For email validation in the register form, kindly go to your web project root. Then go to Override, Classes, Form, create a new file, and name the file as customerform.php. Then open this file. Go back to your Mailbox Validator tutorial page and copy this code. Paste the code here. You will need to enter your Mailbox Validator API key here. Therefore, go to your mailboxvalidator.com, log in to your account, copy your API key here, and paste your API key here. Once done, save it. Go back to your Mailbox Validator tutorial page. For email validation in contact form, let's go to your web project root. Override, Modules, Contact Form. Create a new file and name it as contactform.php. Then open this file. Go back to your Mailbox Validator tutorial page and copy this code. After that, paste the code in contactform.php. You will need to enter your Mailbox Validator API key here. Go to your Mailbox Validator account page. Copy your API key here. After that, paste your API key here. Once done, save it. Go to your Mailbox Validator tutorial page. Then, go to your web project root. Catch. Go to Proj if your project is in production, or go to Dev if your project is in development. Delete a file named class_index.php. Now let's go to your register form. Fill in all the details. Type an invalid email address. Once done, click Save. The error message appears for the invalid email address that was typed just now. Now let's go to your contact form. Type an invalid email address and fill in all the details. Once done, click on Send. The error message appears for the invalid email address that was typed just now, and you are done.